Hello there, weather friends. I'm social meteorologist Bob Clubbs reporting live from the Vader Tree to give you a lunch break weather update on Winter Storm Iago, which will begin impacting the area tonight and into tomorrow morning. It's now looking like it might be about a 12-hour window in which we can receive some wintry precipitation. We could begin to see some wintry precipitation in the area around 9 o'clock tonight, maybe even a little bit sooner. There are some sleet reports beginning to come into southwest Missouri this morning. And the window lasts until about 9 a.m. on Thursday morning. We here at the Department of Social Meteorology continue to maintain the aspirin freakout. We're going to go ahead and bump it to a 3 aspirin freakout because it's just going to cause a lot of headaches in the morning. It is a poorly timed event in that it is mostly happening overnight and in the early morning hours when most people are trying to get to work and or school. It's likely that we will see some schools dealing with cancellations tomorrow, particularly to the northwest of the Cape Jackson area. We know that we do have some schools that call off a little bit more frequently than others, and those might be tempted to call off tomorrow as we will have some wintry precipitation probably actively falling as a mix of snow and sleet in the overnight hours and in the morning when those buses would be running. And I would just advise everybody to just give yourself a little extra time in the morning. Maybe set that alarm maybe 20-30 minutes earlier than you usually do. Head out for your morning locations just a little bit earlier. Drive a little bit slower. You know, folks get crazy anytime this kind of stuff comes down. So it's really just going to be headaches for us. Temperatures are going to bottom out around 30 degrees tonight. So the ground is not going to be especially cold. The roads will not be especially cold. Bridges and overpasses will get slick first, but we will have to be on the lookout for slick spots, particularly on hills and intersections and things of this nature. So just use your common sense, I would say, in the morning. No need to rush out to the grocery stores for anything. You're not going to be trapped by this storm. It is likely to be a minor event, but it only takes one slick spot in the morning to sort of ruin your day. And so be a little bit safe in the morning if you don't mind. That's Winter Storm Iago impacting the area tonight and tomorrow. No milk freakouts issued, but we are at a 3-gallon aspirin headache freakout for your morning commute tomorrow for this poorly timed event right here at finals time for schools particularly. Continuing to watch Winter Storm Jafar for Friday night into Saturday. The models should get a better handle perhaps on what that thing might do over the weekend, although the forecast is still very low confidence even for the event that's happening tonight. So we'll have to continue to see. Isn't that a lovely tree? Isn't that fantastic? Oh, just love it so much. We'll continue to see how things play out for both of these events. We welcome your observations, your reports, and especially your photos as the precipitation does begin to fall. I'm social meteorologist Bob Clubbs with your lunch break update, watching the weather so you don't have to.